What's up team, Connor here, and on today's video I'm going to be talking you through some extremely effective mass building bodyweight only leg exercises that you can perform absolutely anywhere with no gym or equipment needed, or you can add these movements into your weighted leg routine to help maximise results. Okay, so I'm going to showcase the first movement, and I want you to perform around 3 sets of this exercise in an 8 to 10 rep range. The prisoner jump squat, hands behind your head. Lower yourself right down in that low squat position and explode up as powerful as you can. Okay, to make that movement easier, simply perform your prisoner squat without the jump. Okay? Absolutely fantastic movement to really help build up that strength and explosive power within your lower body. Now keep in mind team, I'm going to be talking you through some of these extremely effective exercises, and you can create your own workout out of this, or you can add it into your weighted routine, or just follow through what I'm talking about and push yourself in your own workout as showcased, okay? Okay team, the next movement is your jump and lunge. So what I want you to do, place one leg out in front of the other, around your hip, that low position, and so make sure that knee does not touch the ground, and I want you to explode. Once again, as much power as you can, keep the back upright, always look at the front. Absolutely fantastic, athletic, muscle building, body weight leg exercise. To make this movement easier, simply lunge forward on one leg and then repeat to the opposite. Brilliant movement, 3 sets around that 8 to 12 rep range. Keep in mind you can add a weighted vest in any of these movements. Hold an external object, such as a block, a medicine ball, a weight, whatever it may be, just something to push yourself if these exercises are too easy for your fitness level. The next movement is your lateral jump squat. Now as you can see, I have a dumbbell position here so I can jump over it, but you can literally place anything here, such as a towel, a block, anything, any external object, you can sit there so you can jump over. It's just to position yourself to explode within this movement. And this is the way I absolutely love to train my lower body in an athletic and explosive manner. Okay? So I want you to be in your low squat position, and I want you to laterally jump to the side. And repeat. Explode. 8 to 12 reps. Okay? If that movement is too difficult, low squat and just walk over. Okay? Like so. Simple as that. Okay team, your next one is your explosive knee get up. Now I want you to get into this position like so. I want you to use your momentum, power yourself up into that low squat position, and then eventually jump. Now this is the more advanced movement, but fantastic exercise to build up that explosive power. One more time. And if you cannot perform that movement just yet, get up, low squat, jump, back down. Get up first on your opposite leg, low squat, and explode, okay? 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets. Okay team, the next movement is a split squat. Now I'm performing this on an elevated surface with the bench, but you can perform this on the edge of a chair, a sofa, a desk, whatever it may be, something slightly elevated to allow you to place one foot up, another leg stretched out in front, right down, right up, okay? I want you to perform 8 to 12 reps on each leg, okay? Now if that's too easy, you can always add that explosion into the movement, or you can hold an external object, such as a block, a weight, whatever it may be, to add that overload, okay? Okay team, the next one, moving with this explosive exercise, the frog leap. Low squat position, jump as far as you can, okay? Run back. Low squat position, leap as far as you can. Brilliant conditioning exercise alongside very athletic and explosive movement. Okay? Following that up, another brilliant movement is your bunny hops. Okay, you can perform 3 sets in that 8 to 12 rep range of those frog leaps, and then move into bunny hops, or you can add that in as a superset. Perform a few reps of the frog leaps and straight into low bunny hops, which is a low squat position. Okay, you're slightly hopping off the ground. Okay, absolutely killer movement, brilliant conditioning, and to build up that muscular endurance within the lower body. Okay team, another very effective muscle building bodyweight leg movement is your side lunge, okay? Lunging right down as far as you can on one leg, and then alternating, cross. Of course you can make this more difficult, adding a weight at best and holding an external object to increase the overload. 8 to 12 reps, 3 sets, fantastic movement. So team, your final movement has to be the crab walk. So in a low squat position, I want you to slowly walk forward, keeping your back upright and looking in front. Okay, so this can be performed for time, so say about 30 seconds, non-stop, forward and back, low crab walks. Killer movement, building up that muscular endurance and that strength and athleticism. So team, there is some extremely effective muscle building, bodyweight only leg exercises that you can add into your own routine, create your own workout out of these exercises, push yourself to maximize results, to help you not only get into the best shape of your life, but increase that overall functionality, athleticism and explosive power within your lower body. Team, I truly hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please be sure to leave a thumbs up, leave a comment, let me know what you thought of this video, what more videos you'd like to see in the future. Please be sure to subscribe if you haven't. Once again, have a good day, keep up the good work, and I'll see you in the next one.